Hello YouTube. We're gonna be looking at the ORTIZAN Bluetooth speaker. I'll be unboxing it right now and showing you what you get. It's a portable Bluetooth rated IPX7, so it is waterproof. It's a 24-watt power. Bluetooth is the 5.0 and it's claiming to be 30 hours of playtime. I haven't tried that, but hopefully it does hold the 30 hours. The range of the Bluetooth is 66 feet, which is pretty good range. Looking at the unit now, the color that I got, it feels to be a little bit darker than in the website, the Amazon website where I got this from. I'll put a picture next to it so you can see. This is the port. You have a micro SD, USB Type-C, and auxiliary ports. It comes with both cables, USB Type-C to charge, and also the auxiliary port cable. It's pretty decent unit. I'll have a couple of shots looking close and also playing some music. At this shot right here, I'm showing you the cable. Actually, I just got the USB Type B to Type C. Not very long, not very tough, but it is what you get. I forgot to show you the other cable that came in that white box, but that's fine. I already said it's an auxiliary cable. I'll go slowly here, try to get this very close to the lens so you can see. Feels really good in the hand. It really feels like a much more expensive unit. I'm powering it on. Hold for a minute here and it's gonna turn it on. You're gonna see the LED blinking on the sides as well. It's looking for a Bluetooth device. The RGB LED is going through different colors now, and you can turn these LEDs off. So if you're not really into LEDs on your speaker, you can definitely turn that off, which is a nice option to have. Just as a comparison, I also have a JBL Flip 5 that we're gonna bring in next to this one so you can compare. Quality wise, the Flip feels a little bit higher, but it costs 3 times more. The mesh that covers the speakers are very similar, surprisingly.
Power off.
The way the bottoms are laid, those are different. The JBL feels higher quality as well. If I go very close, you can see the mesh here. It's basically the same. That portion of the product there, the mesh, is very similar. Looking from above, you notice that the ORTIZAN is a little bit bigger. See the diameter there? The speakers itself might be the same size, but the housing is much bigger, and I assume it needs to be bigger to hold a bigger battery because the JBL only offers 12 hours, and ORTIZAN is saying that this can go up to 30 hours, so that should be a lot of battery to hold for that long. So let's play some music here and see how it does.
little bit bigger now. All I want is to feel you so close, just to be with you till the end. We might be oceans apart, but maybe you can hear the sound of my heart.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked. Just showing you what you get when you buy this out of Amazon. Very popular product. Thank you very much.